Wind energy has started to become much more relevant in the global scheme. Wind energy usage has increased 25% in the last decade and will continue to grow. The United States Department of Energy Wind Powering America enterprise has the goal of accounting for 5% of America's electricity from wind by 2020. Wind energy is rapidly becoming a legitimate source of energy production, so it is necessary to analyze the sustainability of wind farms. We will conduct this analysis in three phases: economical, environmental, and social. We have analyzed the economic sustainability of wind energy through the following categories: number of jobs created by wind energy, cost of wind energy versus conventional energy sources, total investment in wind energy, return of investment. According to the American Wind Energy Association, employment in the wind industry's manufacturing sector has increased from 2,500 jobs in 2004 to 20,000 jobs in 2010, with an estimated additional 14,000 jobs. The GWEC estimates that investment in wind energy will reach $196.7 billion by 2020. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, for a system size of 225 kilowatts, the return investment is about 9 to 13 years. If the system size is increased to 700 kilowatts, the payback is about 6 to 8 years. We will analyze the environmental sustainability of wind energy through the following indicators: the efficiency of wind farms versus conventional methods, emissions avoided versus conventional methods, emissions of 1 kilowatt hour of farms throughout the lifespan. Onshore wind farms generate around 30% of the max capacity, whereas conventional methods generate around 50%. Therefore, conventional energy methods are more efficient. The emissions from the production of 1 kilowatt hour in farms throughout the whole life cycle are about 5.6 to 9.6 grams per kilowatt hour of carbon dioxide. The carbon emissions from conventional energy are 514 grams per kilowatt hour. Comparing this to wind farms, we can see that wind farms have a much less environmental impact. We will measure the social impacts of wind energy through three indicators: the OAL indicator, K-spin incident, psychological effects of subaudible sounds, and ground-borne vibration. According to Wind Turbine Sound and Health Effects, there is no evidence that audible or subaudible sounds emitted by wind turbines have any direct adverse psychological effects. The ground-borne vibrations from wind turbines are too weak to be detected by or to affect humans. Looking at the system as a whole, wind farms are relatively sustainable. There is a return of investment involved with the industry, which makes it economically sustainable. The environmental impacts are extremely sustainable if we compare those to the impacts of conventional energy sources. Social sustainability is probably the biggest factor to deal with. The only measurable impact can be found with the impact due to visibility. In conclusion, wind energy is a sustainable source of energy. If applied to the proper areas to minimize social impacts, wind energy can make up a solid portion of the world's energy consumption without the environmental impacts associated with the conventional energy methods.